So now that we got it apart, guys, we can go ahead and show you what's inside this transmission here and take it apart.
Hey, honey, what you wanting for dinner tonight?
I don't know. We could do some tacos or something. Is that okay?
Yeah, but what the hell did you just, what did you buy now?
What do you mean, what did I buy now?
Well, you're working on something now.
What makes you think that I bought it? Why do I always gotta buy something?
I know you bought it. I'm always seeing stuff coming out of the bank account.
And who cares if I did buy it? I didn't buy it though. Does it really freaking matter? Why you always come out in my garage busting my balls about me buying stuff and having fun? I didn't buy this, FYI. It was a subscriber that gave it to me. Thank you very much.
Well, I'm telling you that you're not going to get any for a year if you buy something else.
And I'm telling you that I already feel like a China guy, so what's the difference?
So what is it?
Well, now that I got you out of my butt, I'll tell you. It's a blown up motor that a subscriber sent me to rebuild. The only thing I paid for it was shipping. That was the agreement. He was nice and he sent it to me for free. I just paid shipping, which didn't cost hardly anything. I went and I put on my sleazy shorts down at the corner and I got the shipping money. Is that okay?
And just how much money are you going to put into this motor?
Well, so far, the only thing I see that it really needs is some rod bearings, some crank bearings, because he forgot to tighten up the crank's right there. He forgot to tighten up the rod bearing and it messed up the bearing. But I think the crankshaft is savable. I really have to go through it and check it, but I think it's savable. So it only needs those bearings, ported and polished heads, bored out cylinders, okay? So I gotta find a machine shop that's willing to sleeve these with a cast iron sleeve so I can bore them out the way that I want. And we're gonna port and polish the heads and stuff like that. It's really gonna be cheap.
How cheap is cheap?
Well, now that you asked that question,
What was that?
Sorry, I got something on my lips. It's a couple grand.
What the hell was a couple good?
Well, it shouldn't cost that much. Just a couple grand. Maybe. If that. I'm not going to turbo it because I don't think this Chinese block can handle a turbo with these bearings, but I don't know unless we push the limits. And I don't think that you're going to let me push the limits. So if the subscribers want to see me push the limits, they better start donating on my channel.
So you're not going to spend any more money, so the subscribers better get to donating to you.
Are you done harassing me yet? Why don't you get out of my garage? Did you see your steering wheel I did yet? That might make you happy.
Ooh, you did my steering wheel? I want to go look.
Yeah, I did your steering wheel. You didn't see it yet?
No.
Wow.
Ooh.
Look how pretty that thing is.
I love it.
They can see the installation over on my channel.
Nice, okay.
RNG Performance.
Nice, that's beautiful. I love it. So much better.
You do? You like it?
Yes, I do.
You like that one?
I do.
Have you sat in it yet to see how you like it?
I'll sit in it.
Why don't you sit in there? Because now, with that steering wheel, it don't make it feel like you're way down here trying to steer it.
It feels normal.
It feels way better. It feels like driving a car
Yes, it does. Instead of like this.
Yes.
I know.
Yes.
You can actually sit comfortably.
Way more comfortably.
Yes.
Way
you
more.
Can.
Yes. So there you go.
Well, thank you.
Now hopefully it's going to get nice this week that you're off, and
yeah,
we're going to make some more videos for your channel. Hopefully.
Yes. Definitely.
So.
All right. We'll see you on the next one. Well, I'm telling you, I can't do it. Can't do it.
And I'm telling you that I already feel like a China guy. So what's the difference?
What the hell was a couple good? Huh?